Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to view order history on Microsoft Rewards. So a quick info regarding Microsoft Rewards is a free loyalty program that lets you earn points for everyday activities like searching Bing, shopping at Microsoft Store, playing Xbox games, and browsing. You can redeem your points for gift cards and many more. This is a legit earning apps guys, so all you have to do is to earn points. And I got 11 orders redeemed completed already here. So guys, create your Microsoft account and you'll get surprise rewards. Alright, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on Microsoft Edge browser. And if you already have the Microsoft account, then you need to log in here at Microsoft Edge browser to easy access this Microsoft rewards. And next step, so on top left corner, and then you need to click this Microsoft profile. And then select this Microsoft rewards. And then redirect already here at the Microsoft rewards homepage on how to view my order history, and then you can see this earn, redeem, and status, and then you need to select this redeem. Scroll down at left side menu, and then you need to select this order history. Alright, so order history, and then this order history in Microsoft Rewards, this is a list of all orders placed using Microsoft Rewards. You can use this page to track orders, view invoices, and get redemption codes. Alright, so I have 11 completed orders. So if you want to redeem your code, so on right side, you can see this get code. So click this get code. And then automatically you can see this redemption URL and tap this one. Alright, so this is all the list of my orders completed here. Okay, and that's it guys. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.